How to delete contacts on Telegram. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Telegram application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Telegram chats list page. Here, you can view all your chats on Telegram. Open any chat from here. If you want to delete this contact from your account, then go to the top right corner and tap on their profile. Then, go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. Here, tap on Delete Contact below. Tap on Delete Contact again to confirm. You have now successfully deleted this contact. You can repeat this to delete other contacts on Telegram as well. Following these steps, you can easily delete contacts on Telegram. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.